I am explaining the ninth chapter, The Accidental Tourist, written by Bill Bryson. They say, means people say, that the world today is a small place because travel has become easy, but not everybody finds it easy to travel. Here, the author reflects humorously his experience as a traveler. Yes, he is very right. Traveling is very easy, all the things are very easy for us, but it is not a cup of tea for all the fellows. Some fellows find it very difficult to travel with ease or comfort. So the author gives his personal experience. That's why I is used in the total story. It is a nice story to laugh at. Some people can relate this to their life. The narrator, Bill Bryson, narrates his experience as an air traveler. So he is not comfortable in traveling. There were many things that he couldn't do properly. He names, he lists. He was every time a confused, muddle headed person. He goes many times to find the lavatory in a cinema but ends up standing in an alley on the wrong side of any door. Means every time confused to recall or to relate what has been told to him. He often forgets the number of his hotel room and goes 2-3 times a day at the hotel reception to inquire about it. Means he is totally confused lot. Once he went to England with his family for a week on Easter. On the airport, he remembered that he had a discount card in his carry bag. He tried to open the bag and pulled the zip very hard from his side. The zip broke and the bag opened perfectly, and everything was here or there. His wife was shocked to find that her husband was so absent minded. So she was really troubled. He had many such experiences while on board too. Second experience, once he found himself helplessly in the crash position when he leaned over to tie his shoelaces. Yes, then by chance, what happened? He just leaned down. Someone in the seat ahead of him threw his seat back into full recline. Then, on another occasion, he tells, once he knocked soft drinks into the lap of a lady sitting just near him. The worst experience he had was when he got his mouth, chin, gums, and tongue blue colored because he was writing something, means some ideas on a sheet of paper. Then by chance it was, means pen was in his mouth. He fell into one conversation again with one lady sitting near him. Then the pen started leaking in his mouth, and mouth was totally covered with just blue ink. He did not realize till he went to laboratory. The narrator was so fed up with his eating habits, that's why he preferred not to eat anything, especially while journeying. His wife used to take some precautions. She every time used to say to children to take the lid off the food for daddy, or at least put their hoods up when daddy cut his meat, because he often forgot to ask for air miles too. He could never take benefits from the discount schemes because he was so forgettable person. So it was his state of mind that every time he missed one or another thing. Once he missed a golden chance to get first class flight to Bali. So in this chapter, one nice message is given that some people are very skillful in doing one thing or another, but some are every time confused lot. They cannot do anything without any help. Rather, they create problems for us. Yes, actually, I think it is very natural for some fellows who cannot be composed while journeying. It is very common that they become confused or they become quite nervous. So, one lesson is that we should try to cooperate with the situation. We shouldn't lose our calm or composed nature whenever we are moving here or there. So, this is one refuse. Means we can make our journey nice by being comfortable, composed. If we ask one thing or another, we should try to remember that at least. Now, think about it. First question is, Bill Bryson says, I am in short, easily confused. What examples has he given to justify it? Yes, the author justifies many times that he never can have a pleasant journey. He was never comfortable. He got easily confused. He told many times. He gave example that he could not easily find lavatory in any cinema hall. Every time used to get confused by standing here or there. And at hotels also, he asked his room number many times in a day. So it is enough to understand that he was easily confused. Now, second question, what happens when the zip on his carry on bag gives way? Yes, the author was very confused in that condition because the zip of carry bag was just gave way and all the things were spread here or there. And what was not in that carry bag? Everything. Loose papers, newspaper cuttings, magazines, passport, tobacco packet, English money, film. They were spread here or there. So this was great chaos at that time. Now, third question, why is his finger bleeding? What is his wife's reaction? Yes, his finger started bleeding because he got one wound when he tried to pull the zip with a great force. At this, his wife was totally confused. She became angry also. She was surprised too. She started saying, I can't believe you do this for a living. Now, fourth question, how does Bill Bryson end up in a crash position in the aircraft? Yes, once when he was traveling in an aircraft, he leaned over to tie up his shoelaces. As soon as he leaned over, then by chance someone in the ahead of him threw his seat back. Thus, the author ended up in a crash position. Means he had to be every time a victim of confusion. Now, fifth question, why are his teeth and gums navy blue? Yes, his teeth and gums are navy blue because once he was just writing something, means some thoughts on a piece of paper, and one blue pen was inside his mouth. At that time, he was busy in talking with one lady and he forgot. Then it started leaking in his mouth. So it became quite blue. His teeth and gums were blue, but the author didn't notice. He came to know when he went to laboratory. Now, sixth question, Bill Bryson ached to solve. Is he successful in his mission? No. It is very clear he is never successful. It is very natural with him. I think he used to lose his comfort, or we can say peace. He used to become very confused whenever he travels here or there. Every time he tried to be successful, but never. He got himself in a car, closed the door, leaving 14 inches of coat outside, wore light colored trousers without discovering at the end of the day that he had at various times sat on chewing gum, ice cream, cough syrup, and motor oil. So we can say that he is never successful. Now, seventh question, why do you think Bill Bryson's wife says to the children, take the lids off the food for daddy? Yes, the lady was very sure that her husband was every time confused. He would create one or another problem for others. That's why she was very aware of his habits. So she used to say, take the lids off the food for daddy. And second, she used to say, every time to have hoods on because anything can be spread here or there. So she was very clear about everything. She was taking care of the children. What is the significance of the title? Yes, the title is quite significant. Yes, it becomes very clear that Bill was not expert tourist. Rather, he is the accidental tourist because the author becomes every time very confused. So he is not planned tourist. He does so many mistakes. He proves every time a source of discomfort to others. So significance of the title is quite clearly given by the author himself. Yes, now last question. To get confused and behave in unsolved ways like Bill is normal or human? Yes, I think it is quite normal with some humans. Yes, everybody can relate one personal story, but whenever we are going someone, in general, we can say, so all the persons are not comfortable with their traveling. Some are very confused to keep one thing or another, whether they have locked properly their suitcase or not. Can they recall the phone number of hotel or any friend here or there? So they can be confused. But very rare persons can be like the author. It is also very natural. Some people really are lost. They take extra tension. They cannot change their habits. They don't try to adjust to the rules regulations of the society. So it is not so uncommon. It is very normal, but it is normal for a very small unit of humans.